Real estate term of the day, option contract. An option contract is exactly what it sounds. It gives the buyer the option to buy the property at a certain time and date. What is this? Well, let's say somebody moves from out of state to Florida and is not sure in the city they want to live. So, what do they want to do? They want to rent a property for a certain amount of months. Let's call it 5 months. They're going to pay the landlord or the owner rent. And then in that time, they're going to consider whether they want to live there and buy that property. The sales price has to be negotiated prior for them to move in, and also the rent is negotiated prior to moving in. Now, don't confuse this with rent to own. The rental does not get put towards the purchase. It does not. It's a rental and it's a sale. And the tenant has the option to purchase the property or not. This is known as a unilateral contract because only the seller must perform. The seller has to keep that property available for that buyer for the amount of time. But it's not fair to the seller. So there's something called consideration. Valuable consideration is usually 1% of the sales price. Let's say the sales price is 700,000. It's $7,000. So that goes directly to the seller. It's a fee. So that's their money. They could do whatever they want with it. A lot of real estate agents in their listing agreement will put, if we're going to do an option, we are the ones that are keeping the 1%. So you need to learn how to protect yourself in the event that this happens. Extremely rare. I've never seen one. I've never been through one in my entire career. Hey, for more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to pass this real estate state sales or brokers, please schedule a one-on-one tutoring session, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.